In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Inkscape files to Adobe Illustrator while keeping your artwork fully editable. This is a common situation for designers who create graphics in Inkscape but need to send the final files to someone using Illustrator. Since Illustrator typically expects AI files, a lot of people assume you need Illustrator itself to make that happen. But the good news is, you don't. Adobe Illustrator can open several vector formats and still preserve the vector paths, shapes, and structure of your design. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods that work reliably. The first method uses a PDF export, and the second method uses plain SVG. Both formats open very well inside Illustrator and allow the artwork to remain editable. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical design tutorials. Now let's jump right in. The first method is exporting your design as a PDF file. This is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to open your artwork inside Adobe Illustrator while keeping all of the vector information intact. Start by opening the design you want to transfer in Inkscape. Once your artwork is ready, press Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard. This will open the Save As window where you can choose the format you want to export. In the File Type drop-down menu, scroll down through the list until you see Portable Document Format, which is listed as PDF. Select that option and then click Save. After clicking Save, another window will appear showing the PDF export settings. Inside this window, you want to pay attention to an important option that mentions embedding data. Enabling this option ensures that the file keeps the information Illustrator needs in order to properly interpret the document structure. Once that option is enabled, continue and confirm the export. Your design will now be saved as a PDF file. The reason this method works so well is because Adobe Illustrator is actually built to open and interpret PDF files directly. When you open the PDF in Illustrator, the vector paths, shapes, and most of the structure will remain editable. In many cases, it behaves almost exactly like opening a native Illustrator document, as long as any fonts used in the design are also installed on the computer running Illustrator. Because of this, exporting as PDF is often the fastest and most reliable way to send Inkscape artwork to Illustrator users. Now let's look at the second method, which is saving your file as a plain SVG. This option is especially useful if your artwork might also be used for websites, other design software, or vector editing tools beyond Illustrator. Just like before, start by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S to open the Save As window. In the File Type drop-down menu, you'll see several SVG options. Instead of choosing the default Inkscape SVG format, select plain SVG. The reason this matters is that the default Inkscape SVG format includes extra software-specific metadata. Sometimes Illustrator does not interpret that extra information correctly, which can lead to compatibility issues. Plain SVG removes most of that software-specific data and keeps the file focused on the vector paths and shapes themselves. This creates a cleaner and more universal vector file that Illustrator can read more reliably. Once plain SVG is selected, click Save and confirm the export. You'll now have an SVG file that can be opened directly in Adobe Illustrator while keeping the paths editable and easy to modify. And that's it. Two simple methods you can use to transfer Inkscape files to Adobe Illustrator without needing to manually recreate your artwork. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.